Connecting ConvertKit to your WordPress site allows you to manage email marketing efficiently. Here's how to set it up. Install the ConvertKit plugin. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins, Add New and search for ConvertKit. Install and activate the plugin. Connect your ConvertKit account. Once activated, go to Settings, ConvertKit in your WordPress dashboard. In your ConvertKit account, navigate to Account Settings to find your API key and API secret. Copy these credentials and paste them into the plugin settings in WordPress. Click Save Changes to establish the connection. Add ConvertKit Forms. In ConvertKit, create a form under Landing Pages and Forms. Customize the form, then click Publish and copy the shortcode provided. Return to WordPress and paste the shortcode into a post, page or widget where you want the form to appear. Use the default integration. If you would like all users to automatically be added to a specific sequence or form, set this in the plugin settings.